Energy bills and plans can be confusing due to changing prices and varying options. Energy Made Easy is a comparison website which allows households and small businesses to compare electricity and gas plans using their own energy usage. It's free, independent, and government run. There is no advertising, commissions, paid rankings, and no return sales calls or emails. You don't have to own your own home to be able to use Energy Made Easy. It's suitable for most people, including renters, families, single people, and retirees. If you're a small business using less than 160 megawatt hours, you can also use Energy Made Easy to compare energy prices and plans. It helps customers understand energy options, check competitiveness of current plans, or explore switching retailers. Here's how to get started on Energy Made Easy. Step 1. Access the website. Go to energymadeeasy.gov.au. Step 2. Enter your location. Enter your postcode to see plans available in your area. Step 3. Select your energy type. Choose electricity or gas. In this video, we'll be looking at electricity pricing. Step 4. Select plans for your home or small business. We'll be focusing on plans for your home. Step 5. Choose how you enter your usage. It can compare plans in a number of ways, including average household data, like household size, and anticipated use. The most accurate way of comparing is by using your National Meter Identifier, or NMI, if you've been at the property for at least 12 months. If you're moving or have just moved into a property, you can choose similar household sizes or use information from previous bills. In this video, we are using NMI details. You can get this information from your electricity bill. You'll be prompted to select the current retailer for your property and enter your NMI. Read the terms and conditions and agree to proceed. Step 6. Confirm your meter details with the following: single rate or time of use pricing. You can check your current bill for these details. Single rate is the same price for electricity 24/7. Time of use has different rates over a 24-hour period. Results are automatically ranked from cheapest to most expensive. Step 7. View and sort results. Energy Made Easy displays plans ranked by estimated annual cost based on your usage. Estimates are not guaranteed savings. Step 8. Filter and compare plans. Apply filters to suit preferences, such as solar feed-in, pay-on-time discounts, green energy, and controlled load, which is commonly used for storage hot water systems. Compare plans side by side to see differences in pricing, conditions, and fees. Step 9. Review plan details carefully. Review full plan details before making a decision, including daily supply charges, usage rates, conditional discounts, benefit periods, and price change conditions. Links to retailers' official plan information are provided. Step 10. The next steps are up to you. Click through to the retailer's website if you choose to proceed. You're under no obligation to switch and remain in full control. Key points to remember: energy prices and plans change regularly. It's recommended to check Energy Made Easy every 12 months. Switching retailers does not change the physical electricity network. SA Power Networks doesn't sell electricity or recommend retailers, but we aim to empower customers to understand energy and make informed choices. Energy Made Easy helps customers understand options and compare plans using independent, transparent information. Visit energymadeeasy.gov.au for more information. Energy Made Easy. Free, independent, government run.